making an aquarium at home, we need a glass tank with dimensions about 3 feet by 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet. The tank should have a detachable cover so that one can reach inside the aquarium to clean the glass sides and also to feed the fish. Add sand and gravel at the bottom of the tank. Now, plant the aquatic plants in the sand and slowly pour water into the tank to fill 2/3 of it. Fix the air pump in the tank in such a way that it is completely submerged. The purpose of an air pump is to aerate the water and to increase the dissolved oxygen so that fish can breathe. Now carefully add 3 to 4 small aquarium fish into the water with the help of fish net. Cover the tank properly with the lid. Now, connect the air pump with the electric supply.